Hello, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to learn about the Labconco line of WaterPro Water Purification Systems. I'm here to help guide you through a brief overview on how water purifications work and how these products can meet your laboratory purified water requirements. The WaterPro purification systems can be organized into two categories: reverse osmosis systems, or RO systems, and polishing systems, or PS systems. In these categories, I will review the introductory information for each water purification system and the primary features and benefits of the purification components. To begin our discussion of water purification, we need to look at the types of contaminants commonly found in water. There are 5 major groups of contaminants found in all tap water sources. They are particulates, dissolved inorganics, dissolved organics, microorganisms, and pyrogen or endotoxins. Depending on the purified water application, each of these contaminants can negatively affect the test results. No single water purification technology can remove all water contaminants. Each has specific advantages and disadvantages. The most common purification methods used today are reverse osmosis, carbon filtration, deionization, UV oxidation, ultrafiltration, and 0.2 micron filtration. In a similar fashion, no one containment monitoring device is available to measure all of the contaminant groups. Conductivity of water refers to the ability of the solution to conduct electricity. The more ions in the water, the better it conducts. For example, dirty water. Water without ions resists the conductance of electricity. Clean water. Which means the higher the conductivity, the dirtier the water. The higher the resistivity, the cleaner. Many professional science associations have established water quality standards. A short list of associations are the Association of Official Analytical Chemists, the American Association of Serial Chemists, the American Oil Chemists Society, Clinical and Laboratory Standard Institute, International Organization for Standardization, American Society for Testing Materials, and the United States Pharmacopoeia. Standards have been grouped into 4 classes of water purity using conductivity and resistivity measurements as the primary purity indicator. Type 1 water is the purest water achievable for analytical methods, and it has an electrical resistivity range of 16 to 18.2 megaohms. Type 2 water has an electrical resistivity of 1 to 16 megaohms and is generally used for histology and specific reagents for microbiology applications. Please note, supplying Type 2 water to Type 1 polishing systems does not produce a better Type 1 water. It only reduces the filter usage of the Type 1 water system. However, Type 2 water systems do cost more than Type 3 or Type 4 purified water systems. As I mentioned earlier, Labconco's water purification products can be divided into 2 categories: the WaterPro RO station and the WaterPro PS polishing station. The RO station delivers semi-pure water for routine lab use or for further purification by a polishing station. Its internal reservoir holds 17 liters of water and dispenses up to 8.7 liters per minute from the tank. When the reservoir is empty, the RO station typically dispenses water at a rate of 1 liter per minute. This is the on-demand RO water purification rate. The RO station may be mounted on a wall or benchtop with an accessory stand. It easily connects to the PS station or to a Labconco flask scrubber or steam scrubber washer. An accessory 70-liter storage tank may be added to the RO station to provide additional RO water storage. The RO station enables operators to draw RO water from 3 separate points. First, the dispense valve has a dispense function commonly used for benchtop delivery of large or small volumes of RO water. Then the 17-liter storage tank is used to connect to a glassware water or a PS system. The 17-liter storage tank is used to connect to a glassware washer or a PS system. Finally, a pressure valve fitting at the top of the cabinet can be connected to a delivery gun, glassware washer, or PS station. An automatic flush valve and 2 internal pressure gauges keep the RO membrane clean and provides easy operation diagnostics. The RO station incorporates an inline mesh screen to remove debris in the plumbing line and a 5 to 6 micron pre-filter to remove the suspended particulates. Together, they prevent the RO membrane from becoming plugged with solids. Also included is an activated carbon pre-filter for the removal of chlorine, which can damage the thin film RO membrane. The membrane itself removes all type of water contaminants with an efficiency of 95 to 99%. The life expectancy of a typical RO membrane exceeds 3 to 4 years, provided the pre-filters are replaced once every 2 months. The large 20-inch RO membrane and the industrial design of the RO system can easily support a 70-liter storage tank. The pressurized storage tanks can support multiple RO water demands, such as a PS system, a laboratory glassware washer, fume hood, biosafety cabinet, or lab bench spigots. Now let's briefly talk about the PS station. There are 4 types of PS stations, each providing 18.2 megaohm water, or Type 1. Each PS model purifies water using carbon and deionization filters. The HPLC, UF, and HPLC-UF hybrid also incorporate UV reactors and organic absorption filters to further reduce total organic carbons, or TOCs. The HPLC, UF, and HPLC-UF hybrid also incorporate UV reactors and an organic absorption filter to further reduce total organic carbons, or TOCs. The ultrafilter is added for the reduction of endotoxins. The 4 systems are the WaterPro General Chemistry System for Type 1 water, the WaterPro HPLC system for ultra-low TOC levels, the WaterPro UF system for water free of endotoxins or pyrogens, and lastly the WaterPro HPLC UF hybrid system that delivers both low TOC and pyrogen-free water. This is great for laboratories with multiple lab divisions. Lastly, the WaterPro HPLC UF hybrid system that delivers both low TOC and pyrogen-free water, which is great for laboratories with multiple lab divisions. A 0.2 micron filter can be added to the dispensing gun or spigot as the final filtration step for the removal of bacteria. The PS system can be purchased with either a dispensing valve or a dispensing gun that is attached with a flexible 3-foot recirculation tube. Systems with the dispensing gun include a secondary dispensing valve located between the 3rd and 4th filter cartridges, which also delivers the Type 1 water. Up to 1.8 liters per minute of Type 1 water can be dispensed through the valve or the gun. In addition to the benchtop stand, Labconco offers an accessory mobile stand which adds portability to the water purification systems, so they may be moved from lab to lab as needed. It accommodates the WaterPro RO system on one side and the WaterPro PS polishing system on the other. Selecting the right water purification system starts by answering 3 important questions. What levels of purified water do I need? How much purified water do I need per day? What is the purity level of the tap water I will supply to the purification system? Labconco can help answer the last question with a Water Profile Water Test Kit and a free water analysis that can be obtained for your customer at labconco.com or call Product Manager Bob Applequist at 1-800-821-5525.